My idea. This project is inspired, it's so cool, and it's a game. Yeah. What did I learn? I learned about codes and turtle, which I use in my project. Codes are a bunch of words that do whatever you type. Turtles are a type of code. It helps you draw things. Types of codes, turtle, and for loop. There's a bunch of things, so I can't read it.
All right, that's fine. Just explain like the overall of what it does.
It's like turtle, you need to import turtle and say turtle dot something. For loops are like if and else if else. Demo. Demo is like this. It's like
All right, so you go over here and you click run and you show off the game now.
Show off. It's more like show off.
Okay, so there's your little screen. Let's make it a little bigger real quick. All right, cool. Now you can play your tic-tac-toe game and show how it works.
look here. If you do 9,
9.
press enter. It will draw here. 1 here. So now, if I do 7
Oh, there's Brian.
here,
Hi,
do
Brian.
1.
Go take a seat. That's fine. Let's go take
I
a
don't know
seat.
that.
That's fine. You don't need one right now.
Are we on?
Final presentations.
Right now?
Yes.
You didn't do it?
How do you?
I'll show you just.
My favorite part of the project is typing the position of the X and O because it is challenging. Improvements, I should change the colors, maybe making the X better and effect when you win. Thank you.
All right, nice job.